Parents, I want to give you a heads up. Our next segment may not be suitable for children. Medical experts estimate it's a condition affecting about 5% of men at 40 years old, then increases to 15% of men at age 70. Coastside Clinic offers surgery-free, drug-free, and non-invasive treatments to help patients dealing with ED. Medical technician Andrew Reinhardt joins us to discuss how to best support and help a partner who may be dealing with this medical condition. Hi, Andrew.
Hello, how you doing?
We're doing well. Thanks for joining us today to talk about this. Tell us about some of the downsides for someone who's been relying on medication to treat ED.
Well, a guy taking the pill for erectile dysfunction can tell you all about the side effects, the headaches, the blurred vision, not to mention the lack of spontaneity. I am yet to meet a man that enjoys taking the pill for ED.
So what are the disadvantages of using medication?
Well, if you think about it, the medication really treats the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. It doesn't actually fix the problem. You still have ED the next go around. Well, Coastside Clinic, that's really what we're doing so differently. We use something called acoustic wave therapy. Now, this is clinically proven to open up and regrow blood vessels in this part of the body. It improves circulation. We've helped a lot of guys reverse their erectile dysfunction and get off of the pill completely.
Are there other forms of treatment available without having to use medication?
Not really. I mean, it's the pills, it's injections, maybe it's supplements, and then the acoustic wave therapy that we use. So up until now, it really has strictly been only medication. And of course, those come with the downsides and the side effects.
And what are patients saying about this treatment that you offer?
Well, once a guy has gone through our treatments, used the acoustic wave therapy, it generally is a breath of fresh air to not have to take the pills anymore. We hear the word spontaneity quite often. They reverse the clock a little bit in the bedroom. And a lot of guys, they think this is going to be a painful or intimidating process, and it really isn't. It's quite easy.
Well, Andrew, we started the segment talking about how to best support a partner or someone you know that may be going through this. How do you do that?
Oh, it's a great question. I would say if you're out there watching and your man is struggling with erectile dysfunction, to talk about it is a good thing. We can often think it might be an insult to the man. I think it is a compliment to the relationship to get the erectile dysfunction treated and fixed. It means you want to be more intimate. You want to improve the frequency. And ultimately, that is a great thing for the relationship.
And Andrew, I'd imagine this is a topic that a lot of men and their partners have a tough time talking about.
Yeah, it's a little bit tied to a man's sense of self-worth and our ego. It's interesting that only 30% of men with erectile dysfunction seek treatment. That means 70%, I'm assuming, continue to suffer. That's what we don't want, because the problem, if you do nothing, typically does get worse.
Well, do you have an incentive maybe for our viewers to schedule a consultation now?
We certainly do. If you're struggling with ED, if you want to get the intimacy back, get your phone ready. We're giving away so much for free today. Call us here at Coastside Clinic now. We will do the assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound at no charge. We'll throw in a little gift that you'll love. It produces immediate results in the bedroom. This is $400 to $500 normally. Call us right now. We'll do it all totally free.
All right, Andrew from Coastside Clinic, thanks for coming on the show to talk to us about this medical condition. If you want to learn more, go to coastsideclinic.com.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.